Hi, I am Fatemi Ghani. I'm happy to share my success story with you. I come from Dubai, a city of happening. I'm standing below the tallest structure in the world, Burj Khalifa. In just 15 years' time, this entire area has been developed and we have got so many visitors and tourists coming over here. Just like Burj Khalifa, DXN in the last 15 years have grown to the height of the Burj Khalifa. The growth is very, very important for business or for country. I started the business in UAE, and Dubai is the place of happening, and so is DXN. So the two Ds which are common, the D of DXN and the D of Dubai, I have witnessed it personally in the last 15 years. And now from just 2 million when I joined DXN, we are over 5 million members worldwide. I'm in Al Ain. This is where I started my DXN business, and this special historical place is called Mercure Hotel Al Ain, where the first leadership camp started in 2005. This is a very historical place, and that was the breaking point for DXN. This is where my success story has started.
I was so inspired by his personality, his skillful talk. It impressed me a lot.
The importance of presentation is there in your business, and you can only become successful if you are standing in front of your people. You have to make yourself visible. Visibility is extremely important in our business.
He wants to see a lot of people success.
I had a problem of irritable bowel syndrome of my stomach, and I was looking for a natural cure. It was 10 years old problem, and the modern medicine did not help me. So I tried alternative curing system. One fine morning, I started using DXN product in April of 2003. Within 1 month, I found the benefit about 10 to 15%. That I started looking into the business aspect. So almost I was working in the first year 18 to 20 hours. There are a lot of ups and downs. There were more downs, there were more turns, there were more bumps, there were more U-turns. But I never gave up. And that's how I decided in 2 years to go full-time. And in 4 years, I said goodbye to my job. And this is a blessing from Allah that I'm enjoying the freedom that I have right now. I just can't believe the life that I'm enjoying right now. It's a dream life.
I support him. I said, I'm with you. My children are with you. Don't worry. Just take a step and go ahead.
In Pakistan, there is a foundation called Vision Foundation. They came to DXN and they said that can your product help night blind children. So we tried with only 20 children and Alhamdulillah within 4 months time they could see at night. And I met those children. They were so excited, they're so happy, their whole family. And I plan to take it to India, Nepal, Bangladesh. I said that whatever I have gained, why not start giving it out to the people? And I did started giving education to the people all around the world. I give my training free. DXN take care of my traveling, my accommodation. DXN is giving the opportunity to people who are really working hard, and they can travel, business with pleasure, meet friends. Today I'm in Budapest, tomorrow I'll be in Slovakia.
We're very passionate, very motivated to promote what he believed in.
I'm in the squash court right now, and this is the game that I started when I was a cadet. I got my coaching from the world champion's uncle, and the world champion is Jahangir Khan, who had been unbeaten squash champion 555 times. Similarly, in our business of DXN, we need proper coach, and the coach are the people who guide you how to do the business.
Mr. Ghani, he's most important coach in my life in DXN.
I did my aerospace engineering. I took it very seriously. Immediately I joined Networking Times University, and one of the things that I learned which really helped me to progress further, how to give presentation, how to talk to people. Make your business grow in your country, and this is a bridge for you to go back to your loved one. Extremely important to know what's happening in their business life, in their personal life. It's not only the business that I talk to my leaders. I would like to see if they are not doing good, why they are not doing good. Are they having some problem in their personal life, in their job life? DXN business is not to be done only in the office. This is the place where the business should take place, at home. And we are discussing their problems, what they are facing in the field. And this is the reason why network marketing is also called a home-based business. But at the same time, it is business with pleasure, and everybody is learning. And an informal learning is the best way to learn.
His presentations is very good, and he's take care of everybody, he's helping nature, he's help everybody.
He showed me step by step how I can reach to the top. He was taking my hand since I was born with DXN until the day I am now.
His dedication, perseverance, and his intention of helping others people.
So what I'm doing right now is a three-way call. I'm helping Salim, and I'm his spokesperson, and I'm talking about the business or the opportunity or the product to the new person, the prospect. So I wrote a book called Map Your Freedom, and this is a GPS for those who would like to use it for their business.
Whatever place I go, any professional people I meet, before meeting them, I read the book Map Your Freedom, where I get lot of idea.
He is not only taking care about me, but also he is taking care of all my groups.
He is a symbol of success and the symbol of creative energy.
In my coaching, I teach people how to understand these people. What are their wants? What are their needs? What are their problems? So what we are looking at for those people who are having problems, and we are providing them the solution. We are the solution provider. Understanding people is the core of our business. I'm thankful to Allah who has given me this opportunity. I'm grateful to Dr. Lim Seo Jin who has made this beautiful company DXN, who's given this beneficial product. Of course, I owe a lot to my team around the world, and last and not the least is my family, especially my wife.
He put all his theory into practice. Okay, so he is a practical man. Okay, so when he studies something, he feels it is good and he will do it, and he is very determined to do it, and he is very, very persistent. That's why make him very, very successful.
I'm right now on top of the red sand dune, and being on top of life or business is everybody's dream. And I've been fortunate to get that purpose, the why of life through DXN. DXN has given me the complete freedom, my personal freedom. Freedom from disease, financial freedom, time freedom, growth freedom, and travel freedom. And that is the success of my life.